First one is that, is it true that the aeroplanes and the birds, they cannot fly over the Kaaba Sharif, because of a natural reason, for a not a man-made reason, not because of any regulation, but because of a natural reason?
Question with regards to, is it true that birds and planes cannot fly over the Kaaba? I have no clue about that. And there are a lot of myths being spread which is not verified. So is there any supernatural power, or Allah the Almighty does not allow anything to fly on top of the Kaaba? I doubt that. Sometimes when I'm sitting there, I see birds flying, okay? And helicopters, sometimes they drop off and they pick up, or during Ramadan they film. So I'm not sure if what you heard is true or not, but I see otherwise though. And if people can get on top of the Kaaba to dress it up, the kiswa, every year, and to wash the roof off and to maintain it, then I don't see any problem with birds flying on top of the Kaaba. Allahul Musta'an.